Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to set up and buy Bitcoin and get Telegram crypto wallet. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so the Telegram wallet bot provides an easy method for handling cryptocurrencies straight from Telegram. This bot is integrated with the TON blockchain. So this Telegram wallet works with the TON blockchain. So to buy crypto on Telegram wallet, the first step is to go to the Telegram crypto wallet and tap on add crypto, and then it will take you to the P2P market on a TON blockchain, and you can buy crypto using this on the P2P market. So you can use your bank card, or you can buy crypto from people via ads, or you can receive from another wallet to your Telegram crypto wallet. So then just choose the asset you want to buy. So in this case it's going to be Bitcoin, and then just choose the amount you want to buy and click on buy, and this is how you do it. You just have to put in your card details afterwards, or whatever payment methods you chose. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.